What's up, guys? Mr. Chelada here, back with another Raid Shadow Legends video, also known as Mr. Alone amongst the clan. Today, I want to show you a new champion that I decided to fully max out because I had the resources on deck to make a video, because there's probably not a lot of people who have this champion, probably haven't decided if they want to max this champion if they do have the champion, and that champion is... Mr. Jintoro. Now, I have him in Swift Parry gear, and we're gonna do a complete re-gear because, well, it is kind of intimidating to attack a Jintoro and think, yeah, I'm gonna knock their nuker out, right? And then he procs the Swift Parry, and then you're worried, right? Because once he gets his turn, right, he's coming in, and you can either steal 100% turn meter, right, and that's doing some damage, or you come in with the Oni's Rage. I think going in with the turn meter steal and the A1 is your best bet, but there could be something going on here. Maybe there's something else happening where you want him to just take the entirety of turn manipulation and push it to the fullest, meaning getting an extra turn whenever you can. And I believe that's going to be with Swift Parry. I mean, not Swift Parry. That's going to be with Relentless. So we're going to do a re-gear in Relentless. Now that they have a fitting room. See if we can make something happen. And Mr. Jintoro likes to take extra turns, right? He likes to be the man in charge. So speed, right? Because he does need some speed. And there could be an argument where letting him be slow, stealing turn meter also works, right? So let's see. And he has a great passive where anything boosting his turn meter is boosted by 50%. So don't forget that. So here we go. Attack with the crit rate. We're at 131. Probably have to find some different gauntlets because I don't have anything here worth. So speed, crit rate, crit damage. I think that's only my best piece. It's a good piece. This is a great piece as well. We're gonna try that one on. Let's see what we get here. Get your free 4 rolls, of course. Think we're gonna go with speed and the crit. Alright, now Mr. Jintoro is gonna have another You know what? We're at 190, 120.39. Okay. So these remove. Now we need 45 crit rate. And there's gonna be a set. Give him a shield. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. We are at 107, 218, and 39. Well, for using all my silver, getting them in Relentless with an accuracy banner. You know, probably not the best use of this gear. Maybe I could get him in another, probably something else. But I think Relentless is a better option. For one, you want to be getting, you know, as many chances as you can to use this. If you're fighting against a tanky team and, you know, he's your squishy guy, he kind of just gets smacked around and comes back, attacks and dies, and attacks and dies. But getting another turn and taking another turn with this is big. So you're going to see him, I say, predominantly in clan boss teams for people who don't have a Draco, you know, or end up pulling him early on. But I believe that he has a nice little spot in the raid world. And let me know in the comments if you guys know what stance this is. I'm not a samurai. I'm barely a whale, more like a fungi on the fin of a whale. So, that being said, thanks for watching. Hope you guys stick around. I'm going to do a video on Mr. Cardiel, another one of my new favorite champions. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think.